What's up, friends? Welcome back to the Deal Finder. And today, Wednesday, August 20th, we are back at Costco with another great video. We have some incredible flash deals to show you today. But if you didn't know, Costco does like to release deals every single day. That's why I like to come to the warehouse. I film them and I do showcase them in the beginning of the week. I like to call them the flash deals for the week. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, friends, come down, have a look at all our content. We do put out the latest and greatest deals, whether it's here at Costco, Amazon, Home Depot, and Sam's Club. And because nobody dreams of scrubbing toilets the old way, starting the video off, we have the Clorox Toilet Wand, 36 refills, 1 wand. We have the Rainforest scent here. This is their disposable toilet cleaning system. Just snap off a fresh head, toss it in the trash when you're done. $3.80 off the price, bringing it down to $13.89. This little pot makes rice so perfect, from sushi rice to stews. Just set it and forget it. Keeps your rice warm, fluffy, and drama free. It prepares 1 to 5.5 cups. We have the Tiger rice cooker. Has 10 different cooking menu settings, which I like. It also has a non-stick inner pot, and it's made in Japan. Pretty awesome rice cooker with fantastic, amazing reviews at Costco.com. And today we have an excellent discount. They're taking $20 off the price, bringing it down to $79.99. And it's perfect for rice bowls, meal prepping, even midnight cravings. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and built for everyday messes. We have the Shark Power Detect. This is the reveal. Now, this vacuum does have a 70-minute runtime. It's also Shark's most powerful suction stick vacuum as well. Great reviews online. I do like the vacuum a lot. One of the features I love has that auto empty system. So when the vacuum is charging, it'll automatically empty into the dock. I love that feature. Another feature I love, when it detects dirt, it gives the vacuum a little bit more boost, so it sucks up the dirt a lot easier. And it also comes with 3 different tool attachments. They're taking $90 off the price, bringing it down to $349.99. And moving on to another great Shark product, it turns I just showered into I just left the salon. We have their Flex Style. Now, this is their air styling drying system built into one. So many different types of attachment. You actually get 2 multi-style curlers, a diffuser, a concentrator, a paddle brush, a oval brush, the finishing tool. They even give you a nice storage bag. That's great for easy, convenient, and traveling. As you can see here, so many different types of attachment. I'm not too sure what they all do, but we do get a lot. $60 off the price, $239.99. If you're looking for a vacuum that eats it all, spills, crumbs, pet hair, it doesn't just vacuum, it mops too. We have the Tinaco iFloor 3 Ultra, and we're looking at a member value exclusive bundle set here at Costco. So what exactly do we get with this set? It does come with 3 brush rollers, 3 filters, 2 cleaning solution, and there at the very end, the 2+1. So it comes with a 3-year warranty, which I love. Has 25 minutes of non-stop cleaning, deep cleaning might I add, 3-in-1, cut cleaning time in half. Now they are taking $50 off the tag, bringing the price down to $199.99. And this type of scrubber makes cleaning weirdly fun. We have the Hoto cordless spin scrubber. It does have 110 minutes of continuous runtime from tiles to tub. Let the scrubbing begin. Has an IPX7 rating, which means it's full body waterproof. And you can use it as a handheld scrubber, or you can extend the handle up to 51 inches, which is incredible. I do like that a lot. Also, friends, it does have 6 brush heads, which is included in this package deal. They're taking $10 off the price tag, bringing it down to $39.99. So when it comes to storage bins here at Costco, the 3-pack from Greenmade were nice. Those were 45 quarts each. They were clear. The only issue is they weren't durable at all. They crack, they break, the buckles were horrible, the latches, those were no bueno. And you have to be aware of these things, because if they crack, you can cut your hand open somehow, or if a piece of plastic breaks off, you can step on it. If you have kids, that could be a nightmare. So these from Iris, these are a lot more heavy duty. They're also IPF 54, so they are waterproof rating. $150 off the price, $6.49 for a 1-pack. So these are perfect whether you love to cook or whether you love to clean. We have the Vulcan Nitro gloves. It's great for messy projects, leftovers, even science experiments. We have small, medium, large, and also XL. Now, what exactly is Nitro? It's a synthetic, latex-free rubber. So we have 150 count per package. They're taking $3 off the price, bringing the price down to only $9.99. I do leave the expiration date for each deal in the bottom left-hand corner. And from painting walls to changing bulbs, this 18 feet of pure confidence, it does have leg levers to back it up. Little Giant's Mega Light, their 18-foot ladder has a 300-pound weight capacity. It uses an A-frame design here, and today, $30 off the price tag, $169.99. And then from Easyon, we have the gutter guards. We've gone over these a million times on my channel. Now, I have mixed feelings towards them. This keeps the leaves and debris out of your gutters so they stay nice and clean. I feel like sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But if your house is under 2 stories, you may want to give it a shot. Easy to install, $54.99. These are perfect for drying floors, cooling rooms, or blasting your pets with wind. We have the Lasco Superfan Max. This is the multi-purpose compact air mover. It's a high-velocity fan, 3 speed settings, 3 different positions. It comes with a 10-foot power cord, and you can connect up to 5 units into one, which is pretty incredible. It's great if you burn food in your house. You want to remove that smoke so the smoke doesn't attach to the walls and the ceiling so you don't have to wipe it down. If you get water in the basement, you want to dry off carpets, or maybe your fur babies want a little bit of entertainment, $49.99. Next up, we have the Pam Cooking Spray. It does come in a 2-pack. Each bottle is 12 ounces. This is the original, so it is the canola oil blend. If you're looking for a healthier option, at the top row, you can see there in the 2 white bottles, that's Chosen's Food Spray. It's a lot healthier, but the Pam here, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, $2 off the price, $5.99. And look what we have here, the Mexican street corn. This is good either hot or cold. It has corn, green chilies, cheddar, and cotija cheese. Now the ingredients are not that bad. I mean, it's not the greatest, but not bad. It does have a good amount of calories. So 2 tablespoons is 60 calories or 30 grams, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. First ingredient is yogurt. Let's check out the price tag on here. Now it does come in a 32-ounce container, so 2 pounds, $6.19. Another awesome product here at Costco, we have the Malona ice cream or fruit bars. These are fruit and creamy. I believe they're Korean. We have 8 melon, 8 mango, and 8 strawberry. So you do get a 24 count per package. As you can see here, the macros, 130 calories per bar, and they do have 18 grams of added sugar. So keep that in mind. $3.50 off the price, $9.49. And we also have the Izzy Sparkling Juice Beverage. Now, it does come in a variety pack here at Costco. We have strawberry, blackberry, mango, and apple. 24 cans in total. Now, it does have no artificial sugar or flavors. 70 calories per can. They're taking $4.50 off the price, bringing it down to $12.39. Anytime the pasta goes on sale, definitely stock up. We have the Barilla pasta. It does come in an 8 count with the spaghetti. Each box is 1 pound. We also have the penny to my left and the variety pack as well. So right in front of us, the spaghetti goes for $7.99. So it's 8 pounds per box. Each box is 1 pound, $7.99. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, friends, we do put out some of the best Costco content around. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you're enjoying today's video so far, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And now from Lavazza, we have the espresso coffee, 35-ounce bag here. This is whole bean. Just recently, I started grinding my beans. What a difference. $5.50 off the price, $14.79. And when it comes to laptops, if you're looking for something inexpensive, this Chromebook Plus is an awesome deal in my opinion. It's from Acer. If you're not doing a lot of homework, you don't have a lot of work to do, this is great for a high school student or maybe first year in college. It's a great little laptop. It doesn't do much, it doesn't have much, but it's still pretty awesome. It's a 14-inch laptop. It's great for schoolwork, great for surfing the web. If you don't do much, this is perfect. $249.99, 8 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid state hard drive. Amazing price. And once again, back on sale again from K-Bell. We have their no-show fit socks. It does come in the 10-pack. The cotton blend here, amazing socks, very popular. Now we have the variety color pack. We have the black and we also have the white. $2 off the price, $7.99. And just a friendly reminder, friends, if you are new to the channel, once again, we are doing a giveaway. It's absolutely free to enter the giveaway. Just click the link in the comment section. Follow the directions from there. This is the item we're giving away, the Ion Tailgater Tough. It's an all-weather Bluetooth wireless speaker. It sounds amazing. The original price, $100. It's down to $29.97 on clearance. It's probably sold out at most stores now because they keep on dropping the price. But still, an amazing speaker. If you do want to enter, all you have to do is click the link in the comment section and just follow the directions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment below. And now from Tramontina, we have the 12-inch enamel cast iron skillet. I do like this one a lot. It kind of reminds me of the Le Creuset skillet. It looks nice. I like the brass little knob at the top. The only issue is with the Tramontina, I feel like the enamel chips pretty easily. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I bought a couple of their Dutch ovens and the same thing. Those chipped pretty easily. I even bought the new style and those chipped as well. So let me know your thoughts in the bottom. $10 off the price, $29.99. And then for the ladies, we have a nice new lounge set from Keith Haring. I do like the design of this one. Super nice little lounge set. Now it comes in a two-piece set, so you get the long sleeve crew shirts and you also get the jogger as well. It's a two-piece set. Super soft, very soft. They have sizes small all the way up to 2XL, so that's great. 3 different color variations to choose from. We have the black, which is my favorite. Then we have the maroon to the left, and then we also have the beige. All 3 colors look great. Today they're giving us an excellent discount, $5 off the price. It's only $13.99. From podcast to party playlist, this set definitely delivers. They're smart, they're sleek, and way louder than they look. The Sonos smart speakers are pretty amazing. Great reviews online. It turns any room into a mini concert hall. It's next generation acoustics. It's finely tuned. It does include a nice 30% coupon off Sonos accessories off their website. $35 off the price. $339.99. If you're looking for the all-white version, that's available at Costco.com. And check out this 25% savings off the Frigidaire Gallery. This is their 10 cubic foot upright convertible refrigerator or freezer, so you can choose between either or if you want to use it as a freezer or refrigerator, which is pretty cool. It's garage ready as well, which I love. It's also energy efficient. I do like that too. Now the reviews so far are so online. $100 off the price, $299.99. And for the men, we have the 3-pack of Banana Republic boxer briefs. These are excellent. They have a stretch waistband. They have a functional fly. They feel great. They look great. We have sizes small all the way to up to XL. If you do want to buy them at Costco.com, they do qualify for the mix and match where you can potentially save $20 or to $50 extra. So if you have to buy more, definitely pick them up there instead. Here at the warehouse, they're $13.99. At Costco.com, they're $15.99. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you come down, you subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, support the channel, and make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. Also friends, enter the giveaway. It's absolutely free to enter. Just click the link in the comment section, follow directions from there to enter the giveaway. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. I'll see you tomorrow friends. Peace.